How to make your Telegram channel request to join. So if you want to make your Telegram channel request to join, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. So open up your Telegram application and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you need to open up your channel. Simply open your channel and then you can go for your profile of your channel, which will be on the upper side, or tap on the name. And here you can go for the pencil shaped icon, which is on the bottom. And here you can go for the pencil shaped icon, which is on the upper right. So here, if you have a public channel, then in order to make a request to join, you need to have your channel to a private channel. So simply go for channel type and then you need to choose private channel. And once you've done that, now you can go for manage invite links, and then here you will have your link, right? So if you don't have a link, then you can simply tap on create a new link and then you can create a link. And once you've created a link, here I have this link, so you need to simply copy that link, or you can also go for share and then share that link. So once you've copied, now you can go back and then you can choose the chat that you would like to send or that you would like to add to your channel. So for example, I'll be choosing this person, and here you need to simply paste that link and send that. And once the other person taps on that link, they will be ready to join your channel. So that's how you make your Telegram channel request to join. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.